If someone's hurting you repeatedly, think about this. If you're repeatedly hurted by a person without any reasons, even after your discussion on this, your situation is not improving. Or if it's been a while since you were normal with your chit chats and joyous vibes, you are thinking it's not going to work, but you are not sure how to take it further. And finally, if you are feeling like you are being misused or taken for granted under any circumstances, hold on for a few moments and just listen to what I am about to say. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, did you come into a relationship with this person for all this crap? Is it fair to get something that you do not deserve? That too for silly reasons? No, you deserve a better place. This so called person is hurting you repeatedly, even after knowing that you are broken badly from inside, and it's happening to you constantly. But listen, I get you. You like them, love them, and maybe they love you too. That's completely fine. But are you sure you need a love like this? Where you are crying and shouting out loud within yourself with no way out to voice out every night. You're literally begging someone to not hurt you every damn day, and this crap still goes on. Your parents didn't raise you to see you suffer every day like this. Every moment feels like a year for you. You don't need it. You deserve to be loved. Not getting abused verbally or physically every day, not the pain, at least from now on. This person doesn't deserve you at all. Don't convince your heart and soul to tolerate this crap anymore. Just get inside you and find what's fine for you and what's not. Then decide what kind of person you want to be spend your life with for the rest of your life. Every relationship we have goes through a lot of ups and downs. But when this becomes toxic, it's time to move on instead of trying it the zillionth time. Sometimes you have to make a decision that will hurt your heart, but it will heal your soul eventually. Just tell them you don't need it anymore. Sometimes standing alone is better than standing with people that hurt you. Prefer humans over devils.